Okay, so today I'll fix my mom's 2007 Honda Odyssey. It goes, I think, from 2000 to 2010. So in here, the door rollers, they usually break sometimes, let's see. So this is what, so it sits, I think, like this. And these roll up and down. These little plastic rollers break. So I found this on eBay for, I think it was like $15-20. And to do that, you gotta take the tail light out, which is one cap here, one cap here, and they're Phillips. So in a sec, I'll show you guys. Taking the two Phillips, everything that holds it in is just a little thing right here. So you just put your hands in here. It sucks because I'm doing it one-handed. Hold on, 1 sec. Popping it off, so it's just that thing that goes in there, and it just holds on. All you gotta do, undo this clip. Just remember, it has 2 cables go on top, and then the one that has 3. Just take it, put it aside, and to take this off, you gotta take this off, which is 110 here, and then let me see. It's 1 Phillips right on top of the rail, this thing right here. So it's right there. So when you take those 2 off, I'll show you something else. And to get it off, what you do is you have to roll your window down halfway. So when the door opens, it only actually opens part of the way. See? So it didn't go all the way. And I accidentally already did it. But what you do is you push it this way. You pull towards yourself. You gotta be careful to not scratch the paint. And you slowly pull it out. Be careful. You see? So right there is what these clip into. And to get it off, I gotta figure out what size bolts these are. And I think they're 12s. Let me show them. So this is what happens. So I have these little rubber things right here. And they break like this. See, this one's missing already. And this one is just fucking, like, comes off. So what you gotta do, you gotta pull on this. Okay, hold on. Let me show you guys. Right. So right here, the cable goes out and it goes out right in here. So what you gotta do is pull the cable, make it through that little lip, and then the cable will come off. All that. Yeah, dude. This cable, okay, so after that one's undone, this one comes undone. All you gotta do is get the cable, pop it off this way, and it's off. Okay. Next, it just depends on which one you buy. Mine didn't come with this little swivel part. So what you gotta do is you gotta take, there's a little C-clip that you just put a little flathead right there and pop it off. And this right here, you hit it with the hammer or something, and it will pop off. And all you gotta do is transfer it onto the new one. Put it back. Oh shit. Oh shit. Put it back together. What you gotta do is place it like that. This is the little thing that goes in here. Slide that bad boy in. Gotta line it up. I'm only one-handed right now. See, it went through. That's these little splines right here that you gotta hammer in so it doesn't really come back out. After it's been hammered in, you can see it's a little notch right there. That's where this little C-clip, whatever, goes in there. Alright, I'll be right back. Let me push that in with something. This in. Rollers are good, brand new. I don't like that one. I have to put it back. So, is you want to make sure this little cable thingy-majiggy goes in here. Sits in here. And then this, all you gotta do is put it back in like that. That's it. And then you gotta screw the 2 screws back in here on the door.